Were you with me or was it Willie?
Must have been Willie.
Went over there and they wanted to look at what we proposed. Yep, this.
Okay, now is it working?
Now it's recording. Okay, it's 7:42.
Damn sure we don't have some pretty women here.
I know you're right. Hello. Test 1, 2, 3, 4. Test 1, 2, 3, 4.
Sure does salty low audio when it's recording it. Let me play it back.
Yeah, I gotta see how my filming techniques fit.
Ready to come down.
Do what?
Alright, let's play this up for that.
You don't do a good job. That's like that.
Okay. Nice little monitor.
My old pop. Can't say old pop.
You gotta turn the camera off on the black button. Don't argue with success. Did I hear success? Record.
Did you touch
Yeah, I
it?
had touched it at the start.
Okay. You're recording right now. That's 7:95.
Yeah, with a big head up, let's count two mustaches. 1, 2, 3.
Makes you kind of nervous, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Oh,
There,
good.
That's good.
Oh, Mom, how you doing? Where you at, Jim? Oh, yeah.
That's it, yeah.
What you broke? You broke something.
Oh, I broke something.
Uh-oh. Something else now, huh?
Just
The screw's on,
Yeah,
Dad.
what's wrong with it?
it's all the way down.
All the way down, and you're gonna have to turn it.
Okay, I understand it down to
Oh,
you.
shaky.
Okay, now
How about that? Upside down.
put it down there. Right up there. Can you get it in the
Still a picture, too.
Jim, you'd have to build you a bomb.
Is that a pretty good
Is
camera
it in there now?
out there?
Is it in there now, Jim? No.
Well, it's close.
It's not a good camera?
Yeah, it's in there.
It's in there all the way. This is.
Okay, now let me
That's
send this
all
up.
the way I can do it, see? That's not enough threads to hold that thing.
I'm concerned. This is your inexpensive.
You'll have to turn it. You'll have to.
Oh, here, the camera right here. Right here.
Yeah, all the camera. Yeah, but now wait a minute. Now let's,
Yeah.
okay, now before you did that, let me.
Okay.
Here we go.
That's all you got. See?
That's it?
So you should be able to run that thing in there, but that's not gonna go in there. Somebody stuck paper in there.
Okay.
Yeah, that's gonna be a problem for you. I'll tell you what, let me look. Sitting here, sure.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. Gonna have to get your 1/4 inch bolt.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, gonna have to be a long one.
Whole lot longer than that.
Yeah, we need
It's kind of a coarser thread than normal too.
yeah, but, right now it's recording. It's recording. Stop it over here. Nope. And when I give it to the camera, it's taking over the whole works.
Camera does everything.
We're taking this to
Just a regular 1/4 inch bolt's be enough.
1/4 inch bolt?
Yeah.
How long? This 1/4 inch?
No, 1/4 inch bolt by, make it anything up to 1.5 inches.
standards.
Plenty of standard thread for 4-inch bolt.
28, I think.
No, it's not, is it that fine? No, it's 14, 15.
So 1 inch up. 1 inch or more, right?
Well, just take this one with you.
Okay. You're a little bit longer than that, right?
Oh yeah, we need to be a lot longer than that.
Uh,
So you got plenty of room to play with it down at the bottom, is what I said. See, it's only, you only got an inch of threads here now. Another half-inch of threads. Bring it out to back out here.
and Stokes over there would have it.
That doesn't bother Kevin at all.
There's some good threads in there. It's just that since it only went in there about 1/8 of an inch.
You won't go any further than this?
Run that in there with us.
See how far it will go in.
If it goes in there, fine.
Not the whole way along that.
It was just catching on the first 2 threads or so.
That's all it's been, that's all that's sticking up out of there.
Well,
Go.
well, could we, since they're gonna leave it stationary, could we put the bolt through that and then run the whole thing up through here?